This was a really exciting project for the lab, and we're involved right from day one. We had to work on the tool, the jaw and the fittings individually and as a collective group. That included testing with the jaw at Rothenberger. Konex was doing their testing. We tested the product in the lab here. We started looking at the fittings and what the dimensions and tolerances were on those fittings. We do a low pressure test, we do a high pressure test, and we do burst testing as well to find out what the capabilities of the system are. Both Konex and Rothenberger have got quality control measures at the manufacturing end. We also have QC checks that we do when the product comes in. We do a number of tests in the lab to ensure that the grade of the copper is still fine, the tolerances are being controlled properly. We also have an after sales component as well, where we identify things in the market where we can see that there are areas of improvement for the product or areas that the industry is lacking in and we can bring a solution to. Developing something in a lab environment is really good, but probably the most important was the testing that we did out on site to make sure that the product stacked up in the environment where it would end up being installed. Because at the end of the day, they're the ones that are going to be impacted by the solution that we bring to market. And as our customers have come back with their feedback on what they'd like added to the range, we've been able to bring those things as well. A single design system is really important because at the end of the day, it just works better.